Hello everyone, Barnyard here from Umbria Network. I'm one of the developers developing this platform, and today we're going to be looking at the new airdrop that's coming out for Umbria Network. And basically, if you want to get involved in that, this is going to be a tutorial explaining everything, how you get your UMBR-ETH Uniswap tokens, how you stake them in our platform, and then you'll be earning Umbria as a result. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to Uniswap. And here is the information on the Umbria token on Uniswap. And essentially what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be, first of all, purchasing Umbria. And then once you've purchased Umbria, we're going to be adding Umbria and Ethereum as liquidity into the Uniswap platform, which will mean you then get something called a Uniswap LP token. In this case, we're going to be getting the UMBR-ETH Uniswap LP token. And then with that token, what we can do is we can put it into the farm and then start earning Umbria as a result. So the first thing you need to do, and I'm going to leave all of the links to this in the description as well. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the Uniswap trading place where you can swap currencies. And this is if you don't have any Umbria at the moment. So you're going to want to buy some Umbria, probably with Ethereum, but if you have another ERC20 token, you can use that instead. So you're going to go to your MetaMask and make sure that you have your cryptocurrency in here. Once you have your cryptocurrency in your MetaMask, you can then use that cryptocurrency to swap into Umbria. So let's say you have Ethereum, for example. You can choose Ethereum from the list of all the different ERC20 tokens that are available in your wallet, and then you're going to decide to buy Umbria. So once you have chosen the amounts you want to buy of Umbria, let's say you wanted to buy 100, you then click the swap button and then confirm the swap. MetaMask will come up and you can do all the things in MetaMask you need to swap into Umbria. So once you've done that, you now have Umbria in your wallet, in your MetaMask wallet. And the second thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to the pool. And essentially in the pool, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding Umbria, and we're going to be adding the same value of Ethereum as well as a pair, and then this is going to be used by other people to swap in and out of Umbria and Ethereum. So I'm going to leave a link in the description as well for this pool, and basically now that we are here, all we need to do is add our Umbria and the equivalent Ethereum as well into this pool. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add 500 Umbria. It will tell me exactly how much Ethereum I also need to supply at the same time. So once we've done that, all we have to do next is click the supply button, confirm supply, and then we need to confirm this transaction on the blockchain. So once we've done that, you will see that you have some Uniswap LP tokens, and you might have to import this token into your MetaMask wallet so you can see it, and you can do that by just finding the address of this LP token, and I'll actually leave that in the description as well so that you can import that into your MetaMask wallet as well. This is the contract right here, and I'll just leave that in the description. So once you've added that to your MetaMask, you'll be able to see your LP tokens in MetaMask. And the next place you want to go once you have those tokens is to farm.umbria.network. I'll leave a description for that as well. And you will see something similar to this web page. Now you might have to log in again through MetaMask. You might have to connect to your wallet. But once you've done that, you will see these two little squares here. And the one on the right is how much LP token you've staked. And then the one on the left is how much Umbria you will have earned from staking your LP tokens. And so at the moment, 1 Umbria per block is going to be minted, and that hasn't happened quite yet. We've set a specific block at where that's going to happen. I'll leave in the description which block that is exactly. But pretty much at the moment, when you stake your LP tokens, when that block ticks over, we're going to start minting 1 token per block, and that token will be distributed to all the people that have provided liquidity and then staked their liquidity tokens in this contract here. So you're going to see something very similar to this, except here it won't say unstake. It will firstly say approve spend, and that's basically where you have to approve MetaMask and this contract to allow to spend your LP tokens and move them from your wallet into the staking contract. Once it's done that, it will show you a button that says stake, and you can just click that button, and then you will essentially stake your Umbria ETH LP tokens and receive Umbria as a reward once the rewards begin. And at any point in time, you can also click unstake here, and that will unstake all of your rewards and all of your tokens, and you will get your Umbria rewards and your LP tokens back as well. So that is everything for this video. I hope that all made sense. If you're confused about anything, I'm going to be on the Umbria Network Discord and also on the Telegram as well, answering all of your questions. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you over on Umbria Network's Discord and Telegram.